What is speed?
Speed is, well, I know distance over time.
Correct. This is distance over time.
Time.
Now, what is time?
Time is measured in seconds.
Yeah, in seconds, minutes, or something. So time is a different dimension. We can say different unit, different measurement.
Yeah.
Distance is also a different measurement. There we measure that how far they are. Time we measure how much time we spend it there. Correct. Okay. So what is distance now?
Distance is how much
We have moved.
space,
Correct.
I'm trying to
How
not,
far you are.
yeah, how far you are
That
from
will be
the
better. Okay. So now you are telling how far. No, when I was the student, I learned in the distance two things. One was the distance, another was displacement.
Yeah.
Any idea you have about them?
Yeah, distance is just total distance overall. No matter what direction. Displacement comes with the direction. It's a
Okay.
vector quantity.
You know vector quantity also. That's good.
Yeah.
So what is difference between vector and scalar quantity?
Vector, you have size, magnitude, and direction.
Okay, we have the magnitude plus direction. Very good.
Yeah. And scalar is
And
just
scalar is having only
magnitude.
magnitude. So I'm 20 kg. So is it vector quantity or scalar quantity?
It's scalar.
It's a scalar because our weight doesn't have direction. You will not
Exactly.
say that your weight is 20 kilometer east, 20
Yeah.
kilometer, 20 kg west. No, this is scalar. Okay. The difference between distance and displacement, distance is the scalar quantity, correct?
Yeah.
Displacement is the vector quantity. Let's say I'm riding a bike. I started from the location A. I went to meet one of my friend who was at the location B. So will I always go in this straight line path or my path will be some different?
Yeah. It can be any path.
I can go like this, but if my girlfriend or if my ex is sitting there, then I will go something like this. Correct?
Yeah.
Jokes apart. So we might have the different path. It can be like this, it can be like this. So when we
Yeah.
measure the distance, for the distance we go in this path, so we check distance will be this, how much we moved.
Yeah.
So distance is the total traveled. This is the total traveled. Okay. But if I will go to the displacement, it is the difference between final and initial position. So if you have moved from here to here, so finally you are here, initial here, so this will be displacement. So displacement will give us the minimum distance.
Yeah.
Any problem in this?
No.
Then you might have learned the speed and velocity. Was there difference in these two also?
Well, velocity is again a vector quantity and speed is scalar.
Correct. Because velocity we are getting from the. Okay, what is the formula for velocity?
I don't know. Like
You will tell. You know everything. I know. You have told velocity is a scalar quantity, correct? Or vector?
yeah,
Vector quantity. What was the vector quantity of distance?
um
Displacement.
it was final minus initial.
That was displacement, correct?
Yeah.
Displacement over time. When we go for speed, in the speed is scalar. So it gives the distance over time. Distance over time. So you understood the formula of speed and velocity?
Yeah.
Okay. Now let me ask one more question. If we are getting these velocities, this distance, now I was here in the location A, and what I did, I first gone 30 kilometers south. Okay. Then I moved 40 kilometers to the east. I reached at the location C. Okay.
Yeah.
I took the turn at the location B. I reached to the C. And in this whole journey, I took the 10 hours. How much time I took? 10 hours.
Yeah.
So can you tell me what is my speed and what is my velocity in this whole journey? You have to tell the speed also and velocity also. Speed we represent by S, velocity we represent by V.
Speed is 7 meters per second.
Hmm?
Speed is 7 meters per second.
Good, because total we traveled 70
Yeah.
over 10. 7 meter per second? I think no. Are you sure about 7 meter per second?
Yeah, because it's 70 upon
What
10,
is
right?
70? Can you tell me what is 70?
70 is the distance
No,
total.
that is correct. Total distance 70. Is it 70 kilo or 70
Oh,
meter?
70 kilometers. So
70
I have to
kilometers. This is
change it.
70 kilometer. And 10 is seconds or minute or years,
Hours.
hours. So what will be the unit of this? Just give me 1 second.
Kilometer per hour.
Okay, sorry. Let's move. So we got here this part 70 and 10. So we got here 7 kilometer per hour, correct?
Yeah.
So unit is very important in the physics. If you will forget the units, then it will
Yeah.
be like you have to take the $7 and you will take 7 cents.
Mm-hmm.
And if you
Yeah.
will take the $7 instead of you will take 7 cents instead of $7 will not be good option. Okay,
Yeah.
let's go to the velocity. What will be the velocity?
We need displacement for that. So A to C.
Hmm.
And what is the A to C?
I don't know. That you are going to tell me that. Okay, tell me one thing. What will be the angle between AB and BC?
90 degree.
If this is 90-degree angle, how you can find the AC? Pythagoras. Whenever we get the right angle triangle, my focus goes only on right angle triangle, Pythagoras, correct?
Yeah.
So what will be AC?
AC, yeah, I'm calculating.
Let's say this is X. So what equation you will make?
A squared plus B squared equals to C squared.
So
That's
A is 30 square
yeah.
plus 40 square is equal X square. So what we got 30 square?
Yeah.
900.
900.
40 square is
16.
1600, which is 2500 is equal X square. So X
Yeah.
is 50. Any problem?
No.
So X is 50. So what will we have? Is this 50 meter? No, kilometer, correct?
Kilometer.
So what will be the velocity?
50 kilometer upon 10 hours.
Hour.
So
So what is
it's
the
5
answer?
kilometer per hour.
Per hour. Any problem in this?
No.
Okay. So you understood the main difference between velocity and speed, correct?
Yeah.
Let me ask, what is the acceleration?
Acceleration is how an object increases its speed over time.
Uh-huh. How the speed is increasing or decreasing. So can I say rate of change of speed?
Yeah, the rate of change of speed over
Rate
time.
of change of speed. So rate is telling us the time only. So this is the delta V over T is the acceleration. Okay. So change in velocity over time is the acceleration. Okay. Let's say I'm having one question. My car initial speed was 0. It was stopped. And I took 10 seconds, which car you are driving? At that, according to that, I will give the speed. Na?
I don't
So
know.
which car you are driving right now? This is your car.